Okay, I think थोड़ा
Okay.
serious हो गया तो थोड़ा light करते हैं. Okay.
हम लोग रेगुलर लोग हैं यार, है कि नहीं? क्या बोलते हैं तुम? आम जनता, मैंगो पीपल, राइट? हमको प्रैक्टिकल होना है, प्रैक्टिकल जिंदगी, राइट?
If you could wake up as one of your favorite celebrities and be them for 24 hours, ठीक है? For 24 hours,
Hmm.
basically see life like them, see what their days like, talk to whatever, whoever their network is, who would it be, and what would you do in those 24 hours? How would you like pura utilize it?
You have an answer for this? Is it Shah Rukh Khan?
Bro, I don't want to wake up as Shah Rukh Khan because I want to spend time with Shah Rukh Khan. So my answer
Oh.
is tricky.
Yeah, who does Shah Rukh spend time with? I'm sure it's not Gauri.
I'm gonna say Pooja, his assistant,
छी
his
गंदी
manager.
वैष्णवी यार क्यों तुम्हारे
No,
पास
but I'll tell you my
once in a
realistic
lifetime
answer.
वर है.
Okay, I'll tell you my realistic answer is fuck. No, but this was my question to you first. You answer. The whole point of me
Mm.
asking this question to you is stuff for you and not for me.
Yeah, you know the thing is now the first thing that comes in my mind is Priyanka Chopra, but I don't want to be so like I don't want to be so shallow and be like यार इसको जा जाके इसने प्रियंका चोपड़ा चूज किया. I want to say something cool like Malala and change the world, but no, I want to be PC.
But why PC and what would you do as PC?
Yeah, I don't know. I just find her very cool. Yeah, like okay, I'll tell you why. Because so I find her very pretty, but I
Hmm.
find Aishwarya like extremely beautiful. Like I've just never seen so much beauty. So,
Yeah.
like, I'm a simple person. I see Aishwarya, I'm like, "Bhai, I, I bow down to you." So कल ना मैं रिद्धिमा से बात कर रही थी and she was telling me about Aishwarya. And oh, by the way, Riddhima called and she was like, "How did you guys start the podcast?" And I was like, "You know Vaishnavi, na? She's Vivek's college friend." And I was like, "Oh, so you all went to the same college? Sorry." Like I forgot. There were so many people asked me who's Vaishnavi, and I was like, "Yeah, so मेरा introduction पूरा रट्टा हो गया था." So Riddhima was talking about like Bollywood gossip and this and that,
Yeah.
and she was like, "Bro, Aishwarya, like her sister-in-law hates her, her Bachchan family hates her. They hate her as in they're very intimidated by her beauty. So just imagine being so beautiful and so intelligent and so smart and
I
तुम
can't.
इतने अच्छे हो कि people hate you यार. मतलब मेरे को इतना भी अच्छा नहीं बनना है कि यार girls are hating me because they're like ये मेरे पति चुराएगी, guys are hating me क्योंकि इसने ना किया. नहीं, तो PC is the right amount, like you know. She's beautiful, she's confident, she's smart. Now तो she is loaded with money. उसका वो निकवा उसको कितना प्यार करता है यार. उसकी बेटी कितनी क्यूट है. उसका वो छोटा कुत्ता वो डायना कितना मस्त है. उसने बुक लिख दी यार. मतलब ये सब तो PC man. Like she's a like goals.
Clearly, you don't have another answer where you wanted to be like, I want to be cool. You. It seems like you were prepared for this answer.
No, मतलब यार सी if I was prepared for the answer ना मैं बोलती कि मैं मुझे मोदी बनना है ताकि मैं ये लॉ करूँ वो लॉ करूँ. मेरे को प्रियंका चोपड़ा बनना है. That's what I say. I want to sound cool and be like, oh
What will
wow.
you do for those 24 hours that you're PC?
Oh, acha. I thought you were gonna ask me what would you do if you were Modi. I was gonna give full Nayak ke answers, bro.
That's why. No, what would you do if you were PC for 24 hours? Like,
Okay,
what would you
first,
do?
so I would just before on the 23rd hour now, I would put an Insta story saying contact Gulshin Anand for any marketing and PR work. Thanks to her, I have made it so far in life. So 23rd hour पे तो मैं वो करती.
Oh my
Maybe I
God.
would like
Okay.
transfer some money on my, to my name. I normally के like 5% share अपने नाम कर देती.
Oh
सिर्फ
my
ये सब 2 घंटे
God.
में कर लेती मैं खत्म. मैं सोती तो बिल्कुल नहीं ब्रो. आई एम नॉट वेस्टिंग माय 24 hours.
Yeah, I
Maybe a 1
agree.
hour nap I'll take.
I agree.
And yeah, I think I'll just live the high life, bro. Mhm. What about
Okay.
you? You cannot say Shahrukh.
I can't say Shah Rukh.
Mm.
But I was thinking, bro, I would also be some Bollywood celebrity only. But I don't know which celebrity. That's the thing. I feel like okay, I'll tell you the right amount. So I want to know all the insider information. I want to know as much. So I think I would be Alia Bhatt
Oh, I
because
thought you would say Bebo. Bebo.
maybe name, but no. Bro, babe, I don't know, from whatever interviews I've seen, I don't want to spend so much time with Saif Ali Khan. I want to spend time with like Karan Johar and get information. I want to spend time with Shah Rukh Khan and get information. So I think all of that is possible with Alia. Plus, I also think her baby is very cute, bro. Like, I would like, and
Which
yeah, I
I
think
think like a good 3 hours spent on Reddit as yourself will give you that information.
that's true, but I'm too lazy. I can just do this hypothetical thing and wake up one day and spend time with Karan Johar. And you know what I would do? I would like take one suitcase and like send it with like all the LVs, Gucci's, and send it and parcel it to my address so that I can then sell it on marketplace and make some money
Yeah.
for the next couple of months. Like पैसे
Vaishnavi,
भेजने को तो fraud पता चल जाएगा. FedEx FedEx का तो scam ही होता है तो कोई phone नहीं उठाएगा.
mm, यार मेरे को तो वसूल नहीं लग रहा है ब्रो तुम्हारा आंसर ना ना ना
नहीं?
नहीं
Bro, but
यार
I want to know. So the thing is, bro, I want to know enough. Who else is in that circle where I can spend
I
time
know
with Shah
right.
Rukh Khan, and I can also like spend time with Karan Johar, who will give me a lot more information. And also, yeah, bro, like I'm thinking of all those options, and I think this is the right person to give me access.
I think even if you wake up as Karan Johar, maybe Shahrukh is just so busy, bro. Who is he even spending time with?
I
Bro,
don't
listen,
want to
I
wake
know
up as
how busy
Karan
he
Johar.
is क्योंकि
I
उसके
don't want to
बेटे ने
spend time. I don't want to wake up as Karan Johar. I just want to spend time to get all the information.
उसका जो शाहरुख खान का बेटा है जिसने वो ब्रांड लॉन्च किया है लाइक आई
Yeah.
कैन नॉट समथिंग ही
Even
लॉन्च्ड
I can't say. Even I can't say the name.
हाँ आई कैन नॉट सो इन द
Yo.
ब्रो उसके मेन फोटोशूट में the three people are photoshopped. Suhana, Aryan, and Shah Rukh Khan are photoshopped together. And I'm like, y'all are a family. Why
And
are
living.
y'all not there in the same house? मतलब तुम लोग इतना कौन सा बिजी हो कि तुम 2 घंटे एक प्रॉपर फोटोशूट के लिए नहीं आ पाए तो that's
Yeah. But I still feel like my answer is still more paisa vasool than yours.
ब्रो लिसन मैं तो जाके अनोमली के शेयर्स वेयर्स ले रही हूँ ब्रो तुमने जाके बैग्स लिए सूटकेस भर के सूटकेस में कितने बैग्स आएंगे ब्रो
Bags, kapde. But meko, I'll get to spend time with Shahrukh.
हाँ मेरे को I'm okay without spending time with Shahrukh
That's a personal choice. It's your own
yeah
brain.
okay
Okay.
chal then I will have a question okay tell me one thing what would you what were you doing when that whole 27th December 2012 na, is when people were like the world is ending
Something
and there
December.
was a movie
21st. Yeah. 21st. I
okay
know something December.
okay so imagine ki you know the world is पता नहीं मेरी सारी questions इतनी morbid क्यों हो रही है bro but but did you believe it when they said like the world was ending tomorrow and did you do anything special on that day
I think I just finished 12th and I think I just started college when that happened. I just started college, like my undergrad when that had happened. No, bro, I didn't do anything. I think I got yelled at by my mom for something or the other. And I was just like, matlab, dunya khatam ho rahi hai. That time also you want to yell at me. That's all that you want to do. I think something like that happened. Or yeah, it was one of those very this thing. I didn't do anything, bro. I think I probably
okay
just ate extra dosa sambar and slept, and I didn't really care. But I remember, there's this weird, not weird, like this, like mitti wali wo khushboo aati hai na, like before
हाँ
rain,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
like that essence. And I remember that I think it was gonna rain when in Vizag, and I had that sense of smell. And then I was like, bus, bro. I was like, abhi bus pani aa hi raha hai. Like it's gonna come. It's gonna like and
oh oh
our house was on the second floor. No, but I'm a very paranoid person. So I was like, this is happening like right now. And I panicked. And I think that's when my mom yelled at me for something that she was like, shut up and eat. So I just had like two extra dosas to like satisfy my anger and go to sleep. That's
okay
probably
bro
what.
listen you have to think a little deeper Vesh you are thinking very surface level पे
But my
जहाँ पे you're like पैसा मिला मैं लेश लव पोशन मिला मैं यूज करेश no listen you have to
no,
think
but
about
that's
its
not like really.
consequences
I don't. That there's this episode in Modern Family where she says, "You know me. I don't think about the consequences to my actions." That's how it is.
this is
Okay,
Haley
this is Haley. Yes. Okay,
Okay.
now I'll think about my consequences and answer.
Okay, listen, now you have to think very carefully. Imagine, like, think about the butterfly effect, think about like all possibilities. So,
Okay.
given an option, like you don't have an option, sorry, sound okay, wait. मतलब तुम्हें ये basically तुम्हें basically ये करना ही है. Either
Okay,
you
okay.
have a so you have a time traveling machine. So either you go back to your past or you go to your future, but you have to do one of these. And I will give you the option कि you can go back to your past and change something.
So I have to first choose past or future.
Mm-hmm. Now wait, before you give me answer like हाँ मैं जाके क्रिप्टो खरीदेगी और फिर इधर आके बेचेगी, or you know I will think about the Coca-Cola recipe and sell it for like 80 million. No. मैंने
No,
कहा
no, no,
no.
no, no, no. I think maybe I'll visit the future.
Bro, and then what if you don't like the future? Suppose you visited yourself in like 10 years and 10 साल तक you will just live in that कि यार ये तो होना ही है.
It's like what you said, if this is my golden period. No, but that's the good thing. Now, if I go to the future and see how bad it is, and I'll just live my life, come back and live it now because I'm like, it's anyway going to get shitty 10 years later. So I'll
But
come
what
back
if
and
you know it gets worse? Like if you're working hard and you're like छोड़ यार 10 साल में तो लगी ही पड़ी है.
तो अच्छी बात है ना, then क्यों मराना है? No, but the point is, why do I go back to the past when I already know what everything the past, like at least, oh, you mean any past or just like my past?
Listen, what will you do if you go to the Mughal era? What will you do there?
Yeah, no, but that's what
You
I'm saying. Like, I already know my
your
past.
past,
What am I
ये
gonna,
तुम्हारी जो जिंदगी है इसकी past.
yeah, but what am I gonna go, like, what am I gonna do reliving it? That's my point. I might as well go to the future and
Hmm.
figure out something that I don't know, then go back to the past that I know everything about. Like, I don't believe in going back and changing the past, and like, I mean, I am a person who sort of lives in the regret, but like, I'll be like, oh, I could have done this, I could have done that, and I would have done this, and like all of that. But past pa sab kuch pata hai. Like, what's the point of going back to the past?
I think maybe given an option, I would go back to the past and not future.
Why?
Like, yeah, because now I don't know. I feel like I've made so many mistakes in life. Like मैं शायद जाके फोमो शायद नहीं स्टार्ट करती. बहुत मजा आया लेकिन यार it's put us in so much financial debt. So maybe I
Yeah,
would have held off on that.
yeah.
And yeah, but
But
you
you
know
didn't
what
know
I
the pandemic was hitting.
hmm?
No, none of us knew the pandemic was hitting. So,
हाँ, so maybe I would have like you know so even forget FOMO. जब भी मेरा graduation खत्म हुआ था तभी I wanted to do my masters and I was as I proposed to my parents कि यार मैं बाहर जाके कर लूँ. And they were like, "Are you mad?" Because I was doing arts, and they were like, "You're spending 13 lakhs for arts." They were like, "Either you do some degree that is useful, either way we are not letting you go." Because they're like, you know, तुम जाके कहीं रोड पे गिर के कोई तुम्हारे ऊपर आ जाएगा. So I
okay.
regret like not doing my masters on time. Then I regret, yeah, ऐसे छोटे छोटे regrets तो है ही. Then yeah, तो मैं थोड़ी थोड़ी चीजें जाके change कर लेती शायद.
Correct. I think I don't think मैं ज़्यादा कुछ कर सकती हूँ by changing the past. So that I think that's why I would want to look at the future to see if what the future looks like, so that I can change the now to not affect or keep that future. Like, yeah, in
Maybe
some
yeah.
way. Because I
I
can't
think
do
yeah.
anything.
Bro, see if you go to the future, it's like that which is that movie bro जहाँ पे जो होना है वो तो होता ही है. Final Destination. Final what is it? अरे ब्रो कौन सी मूवी है यार जिसके जो होना है वो होता ही है. जैसे तुमको मरना है वैसे तुम मरते ही हो, तुम कुछ भी कर लो.
Final Destination? कौन सा वाला? There are
Listen,
too many of
dude,
them.
there are so many Final Destinations and it's like a cult
Maybe,
movie.
but okay, no, but yeah, okay, but no, but I think that would be my answer. Okay, I think we'll do
Bro,
one last question.
ठीक है. But wait, I want to tell you that in this movie, like I think it's Final Destination. I just I'm very bad with names, but I remember the plots. I always remember the plot कि यार there's like this group of kids and every बंदे के destiny में कि तुम वैसे ही मरोगे वो लिखा हुआ है. And they know in advance. So like just imagine that you know कि you are going to die out of a car accident only. And you know it's happening tomorrow.
Hmm.
एंड नो मैटर व्हाट यू डू यू लाइक मैं घर से नहीं जाएगी, मैं रूम में लॉक कर लेगी अपने आप को, कुछ भी
It
करूंगी,
will
पर
happen.
वो ही होता है ब्रो.
Hmm.
So
That's
that is
sad.
why I would not go to the future because I'm like, यार ये तो होना ही है. So
Shreya,
yeah.
you have very sad answers, like comebacks for all the answers that I've given.
You know
Where
what?
I've
I'm not lying.
where I've said I'll take the money, you're like, no, 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 but everyone's gonna die. And then now I'm like, no, I'll go to the future. No, 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 you'll anyway die. Like, why is your answer anyway will anyway die?
Bro, you know what? I spend a lot of time in the day thinking about random scenarios. Like, for example, एक serial है जिसमें वो बहू मच्छर बन जाती है. She becomes a मक्खी.
Have you seen that movie Makhi of
Yeah,
Himanshu?
dude, of course.
Yeah.
Like all these caterpillar questions are there now. I think about it a lot. Ki, what if I become a caterpillar and I sit on your shoulder? Then will you feed me? Will you
Oh
marry
my
someone else? So yeah, like Mihir bears the brunt of most of this. And now it's unfortunately you as well and the 30 people listening. So yeah,
God. Okay. All right. One last question. Should I ask you something?
go for it.
Do you think 50 years from now, how old are we? Oh, not 50. Let's say 40 because we probably won't be alive by 80. Let's say
वैश
40.
तुम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो कि तुम डाउनर्स दे रहे हो? ठीक है,
No, no.
बोलो 40
Let's say
इयर्स में.
40 years from now. Okay. 40 years from now, we'll be like 70s. Do you think there'll be life on Mars with everything that's happening? Do you think people will like call us, video call us from Mars? And agar aisa ho raha hai, will you like jump on that bandwagon and like sort of be there? I know you're not in your, don't think of you in your 70s, but I'm just saying like agar ye ho raha hai ki people are going and starting life on Mars and like there's life and like you just have to like take a flight, a rocket, like a flight,
Hmm.
basically a flight. And you can like how now we're in different countries, you'll be in a different planet. Do you think you would do it?
यार आई थिंक वो मार्स जब भी चालू होगा जब भी उसकी इनॉग्रेशन होगी जब भी इलॉन मस्क के रॉकेट्स कमर्शियल हो जाएंगे आई थिंक इट विल बी लाइक फॉर लाइक द वेरी अल्ट्रा रिच
Healthy?
फर्स्ट दे विल make a society to safeguard all their money or
Yeah.
genetics or whatever. I think by the time it reaches me, I'll be way past 70, bro. Like by the time it's
Yeah,
commercial.
but if you had an option, would you do it?
Okay, so मान लो everything is functional वहाँ पे. It's just another planet where you
Yeah.
can just go and move.
Yeah.
नो मैन वैश मैं इंडिया से बाहर नहीं जा रही हूँ यार मैं यूएस
Planet.
तक नहीं जा रही हूँ ब्रो मैं एनआईबीएम से लेकर अभी बाहर निकली हूँ बानेर आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स तुम प्लेनेट का पूछ रहे हो ना आई एम नॉट गोइंग वैश फॉरगेट दैट आई डोंट गो टू न्यू रेस्टोरेंट्स टू ट्राई न्यू फूड सो आई एम
Like
नॉट
today,
गोइंग
yeah, today we had to pick up food from a new restaurant. I was like, do we really need to do it? Can we just pick up the same pizza that we've had 500 times? Can we just do that? Like, why is it's so much easier? No, but I'm with you.
हाँ
मेरे को तो यहाँ से अभी मैं इंडिया फ्लाइट लूंगी उसके टर्बुलेंस में मेरी फट जाती है तो मैं तो रॉकेट में नहीं बैठ रही हूँ मैं तो वाइजैक से बैंगलोर जब जाती हूँ तो मेरे को उस फ्लाइट टर्बुलेंस से मैं रोती हूँ तो आई एम क्लियरली नॉट टेकिंग रॉकेट
मैं भी नहीं जा रही बट आई एम हैप्पी दैट देयर इज अ बैकअप जो लोग बना रहे कि हाँ अगर सब
there'll
यहाँ
be
पे
life
हो
on another planet.
what is that world ending कलयुग का like
Bro, you're
कलयुग
asking
के
the wrong
बाद
person.
okay fine dude एक तो ना यार एक तो I'm becoming that person from Johnny Liver bro like that Johnny Liver in that movie ना who doesn't remember anything I don't remember यार so today I got this book
No,
here
I
because I
don't
wanted to
remember.
quote the book कि इसके वजह से and I was like यार मैं ये 4 वर्ड भूल जाएगी before the coffee gets cold तो मेरे को यार कुछ याद ही नहीं रहता ब्रो कलयुग के बाद सतयुग इज द गुड टाइम आई गेस आई डोंट
I don't know.
नो
I
ओके
can check and tell you. There's someone sitting who will definitely know the answer.
अरे समथिंग की maybe like God opens their third eye and the world ends. So I think in
Yeah.
all this scenario backup, there is another planet, which is good. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think I can afford. I can handle the turbulence. One, I don't think we can afford the monetary part of it. I can afford flight tickets to come to India right now. So clearly, I don't think I can afford rocket tickets to go to Mars. But
Yeah.
second, I don't think I can handle the turbulence.
एंड या आई थिंक मनी तो आज H&M की ब्लैक फ्राइडे सेल है तो मैं सुबह सुबह उठती आंखें मेरी पूरी खुली नहीं थी मैं फटाफट वो सेल पे गई मैं फिल्टर लो टू हाई किया एंड आई वाज लाइक यार मेरा फिर भी काट 8,000 का कैसे हो रहा है ब्रो सब 70% पे है मैं was like, तो अब ये मीर उठेगा उसको कन्विंस करूंगी थोड़ा बेबी सोना जादू टोना बट
Coffee बन मेरे को उठाने से पहले get like some coffee and like say like you know what? But did you just get him like a really nice pair of shoes? So I don't think he should be saying no to no to your cart.
Yeah, you know, we don't ऐसा believe a lot in gifts because we both are very picky about the things we like. So actually ये ring मैंने मुझे चाहिए थी तो I was like this तुम बोल दो कि तुमने मुझे gift कर दिया. And he was like ये जूता मेरे को खरीदना. I was like बोल मैंने gift कर दिया. Bro, I don't have the guts to go and buy shoes for him as a surprise. Like that is not happening because
Impossible. Yeah.
Dude, he sees like shoe for like one month before he clicks add to cart and then he checks out.
Oh
So,
my God.
हाँ.
Okay.
अरे, what I wanted to say something very important.
Money.
Never mind.
Affording.
वो तो है ही यार.
Yeah.
Life के कलेश.
Okay. Cool. I think that was our questions for today. And everyone who joined in to listen to the miseries of Sheena in my life, it will happen in the next episode. We just wanted to
Yes.
keep away a little bit from talking about our mums and their reels and their everything, and my brother. So
So, you know, the crux of this episode is that when so life is
unpredictable.
limited and unpredictable. So apparently there's this joke where someone dies and he goes, so yeah, dude, do I generally talk about death so much? But no,
I
because
think
Ranveer Allahabadiya wali vibes aa rahi.
I agree. तूने मतलब in this one conversation that we've had, I've heard more death than coffee or water or like breathing.
यार मेरे को
So
पता नहीं I like people are like शुभ शुभ बोल रहे हैं और I'm like यार मौत ही तो है. Yeah, I think it's Allahabadiya, bro. I'll listen to a lot of Allahabad. But anyway, there's this one
what's
joke
it?
where
Yeah.
someone dies and they go to the afterworld and God asks them कि okay, so how was heaven? So that means ये अपना heaven चल रहा है भाई. ये
I,
है अपना golden period, bro.
oh God. Chalo, then maybe time to make the most of it.
Yes.
Sheena, I think you should not talk about death for the rest of your day since it's just started.
Rest of the day, no, that's too long. 1 hour till Meher is sleeping, I will not talk about it.
Okay, let's say
क्या तुम
that.
कभी मौत के बारे में सोचते हो? All the time.
Can you let him wake up and breathe and brush and like freshen up and then you can start talking about death?
Isn't it also like the older you get, matlab maybe not our level of old, but my grandmom, a majority of our conversation is very casually about dying. So my grandmom and I discuss at length which is like the best way to die, how do we want to die. So yeah, it's just a very यार अभी ऐसे मैं जोर से बोल रही हूँ तो मेरे को अजीब लग रहा है बट
है
मैं
ना
तो बहुत
लगना
बात
चाहिए
करती
लगना चाहिए लगना भी चाहिए I can speak for a lot of people when I say लगना भी चाहिए.
हूँ. Okay, bro, and one last thing I have to say is that we release a new episode every Thursday.
Yes. Every
Yes.
Thursday we release an episode and we'll obviously be spamming you on Instagram and on your WhatsApp messages. Please don't ignore us. Please watch it. Please subscribe. And all of you who are watching who haven't subscribed, please यार एक button एक second के लिए लगता है. I might get a free coffee and we will get Dabelis. Like at least
Two.
that much we can do. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay,
Alright.
thank
See you
you.
next
It's the end
episode.
of the episode. Bye.
Bye.
हम लोग रेगुलर लोग हैं यार, है कि नहीं? क्या बोलते हैं तुम? आम जनता, मैंगो पीपल, राइट? हमको प्रैक्टिकल होना है, प्रैक्टिकल जिंदगी है.